Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create and run polls inside Google Slides for the 2026 setup. It's actually pretty easy, and once you know where to look, you can make your presentations way more interactive. So let's get started. All right, first, you want to open the slide deck where you want the poll to appear. You can use a brand new presentation or, just open something you're already working on. So here's the part a lot of people miss. Google Slides keeps the poll tools inside the Activities panel. To find it, look up at the top bar and click the Tools option. Then choose Audience Interaction. I mean, it's a tiny menu, but it's hiding right there. When that panel opens on the right side, you'll see an option that says Start a new activity or Create poll. Go ahead and click that. Now type your question. Something simple like, which feature do you use the most? Then choose your format, like multiple choice or a short response. It's all pretty flexible. Once the poll looks good, hit the Save button. Google Slides will automatically attach it to the current slide. You'll see a little badge on the slide thumbnail that shows a poll is linked. If you want it on a different slide, just switch slides before creating it. Now the fun part, running it live. Start your slideshow by clicking Present. In the top right corner, click Activities or the little Q&A icon. You'll see your poll sitting there. Just hit Start, and your audience can vote instantly using the link at the top of their screen. As votes come in, you'll see the results update in real time. You can keep it open while talking, or close it anytime. The results stay saved in your panel for later review. And that's pretty much how you create and run polls in Google Slides for the 2026 interface. It's simple, it's clean, and it makes your presentations way more engaging. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss my next guide.